In just a few hundred years, we humans have changed our planet so much that our own survival is now in question. But here's the thing, if we can change the world for the worse, surely we also have the ability to change it for the better. We now know how to change light into energy, wasteland into forest, even air into water. We can change the sick into the healthy, the threatened into the thriving, the disconnected into the whole. If we can change all this, and if we can change ourselves, we can change our future. From the UAE to the world, Terra, the Sustainability Pavilion. Book your tickets now on expo2020dubai.com. Expo 2020 Pavilion's premiere from January 22nd to April 10th, 2021.